Hello everyone. Wish you all a very pleasant day and a very warm welcome to AK Sir's English class. Let's do in this video the questions and answers of lesson 4.1 Sleep My Treasure. Lesson 4.1 Sleep My Treasure. Sleep My Treasure is composed by the poetess E. Nesbit. She was born on 15th August 1858 in UK and lived till 4th May 1924. She had published many books for children. Let us revise the meaning of new words. Treasure. Treasure means something very valuable. Elite. Elite with. Starling. A type of bird. Creep. Creep means move slowly. Steer. Steer also means move. Meadow. Meadow means grassland. Now let's go to the questions and answers. Textbook question number 1. Answer the following questions. A. Who is the speaker in the poem? Answer. The speaker in the poem is the child's mother. The speaker in the poem is the child's mother. B. To whom is the poem addressed? Answer. The poem is addressed to the sweet little child. C. What time is being described in the poem? Answer. Twilight is the time described in the first stanza. First stanza means first paragraph. In poem we don't say paragraph, we say it is stanza. And dawn is the time described in the second stanza. In the first stanza, twilight is the time mentioned, and the second stanza, dawn is the time mentioned. Twilight is the time after the sunset and just before the night. And dawn is the time after the night and just before the sunrise. D. Name the white and bright things mentioned in the poem. Name the white and bright things mentioned in the poem. Answer. The garden, lilies, dawn, and daybreak. The garden, lilies, dawn, and daybreak are the white and bright things mentioned in the poem. Question number 2. Guess the meaning of the following from the context. The first one, the garden is alight with lilies. Answer. The white lilies make the garden look very bright and alight. Answer once again. The question is, the garden is alight with lilies. Answer. The white lilies make the garden look very bright and alight. B. Dawn wakes the starling. Answer. At dawn, early in the morning, the bird starling wakes. Answer once again. At dawn, early in the morning, the bird starling wakes. C. Question C. Question C. The meadow is wrapped in shadow. Answer. As the sunrise not reached the ground, the meadow appeared dark. Answer once again. As the sunrise not reached the ground, the meadow, the grassland, appeared dark. Textbook question number 3. What is your favorite time of the day? Describe it in details. Okay. It is a personal response type question. You can write your own answer for this. The favorite time of each and every child may be different. So according to your choice, which is your favorite time of the day, you can write the answer. I give you a sample answer. According to me, most of the children like evening time. That gives them a lot of pleasure. That's why I give this sample answer for you. Those who want to write this answer, you can write it. Those who want to add something more to this answer, you can add it. And then you can make it your own answer and then write. Okay, let's read the question once again and then go to the answer. What is your favorite time of the day? Describe it in details. Answer. My favorite time of the day is evening time. Okay, my favorite time of the day is the evening time. Evening time. It is a time of merriment, play and enjoyment. It is a time of merriment, play and enjoyment. I meet all my friends at this time and play games, chit-chat and have fun with them. Okay, at this time of the day, I meet all my friends at this time and play games, chit-chat and have fun with them. After the play, when it becomes dark, all the lights are on, making the place bright and beautiful. I love it. So, evening is my favorite time. Okay, let's go to the question and answer once again. What is your favorite time of the day? Describe it in details. Answer. My favorite time of the day is evening time. It is a time of merriment, play and enjoyment. I meet all my friends at this time and play games, chit-chat and have fun with them. After the play, when it becomes dark, all the lights are on, making the place bright and beautiful. I love it. So, evening is my favorite time. Question number 5 from your textbook. Draw word web. So there is a question, a detailed question is given. You read the question from your textbook. I read the short message from that is one example of the word web is given and there are some other examples that you have to complete. So this example 2-3 I have given for you. The remaining part you can do by yourself. Draw word web. The first one, the center you can see sleep. Connected with the sleep, it is given here dream, bed, night, rest. Okay, in the word web, the center you can see sleep. The remaining blank ones you have to fill up. This example is given in your textbook. Dream, bed, night, rest. Okay, the next one is day. Bright, sunny, cold, hot. Okay, bright day, sunny day, cold day, hot day. Birds, in the center you can see birds and connected words. Singing, flying, chirping, colorful, calling, hopping. Okay, these are the all words related to birds. It is not necessary you must write the same words. You can write a word of your choice that is connected with, related with birds. Garden, plants, flowers, bees, butterflies, birds, fruits. Okay, to garden, all these words are connected. Garden, okay, the word garden, the center, and the connected words, plants, flowers, bees, butterflies, birds, fruits. And these are the words connected with garden. You can add some more if you want, or you can write other words of your choice in place of it. The same way you complete the remaining questions from your textbook. Okay everyone, I hope these answers are clear to you. You watch the video again and copy all these answers to your book and then learn it for your exam. In our next videos, I will be giving the questions and answers of the remaining lessons. Those who are not yet subscribed the channel, you subscribe and press the bell icon for new video updates. Till we meet in the next video, all of you take care, stay fit and fine.